We begin tonight with an update on a new lawsuit filed in regards to the sale of New Hanover Regional Medical Center. The group Save Our Hospital filed a lawsuit against the county and the hospital. The suit was heard in court today.
The group is asking for a temporary restraining order to delay the sale of the hospital. Kylie Jones was in court today and joins us in the newsroom with details. Kylie?
Hey, Randy and Hannah, the group Save Our Hospital says they've requested public records all throughout this process, but they haven't gotten some of the documents that they want to see. The county and the hospital say they've given over everything they legally can, and the final vote on the sale agreement could happen as early as October.
The decision has been made, so they're only maybe trying to explain in their own right what they did and all that, but it's too late.
From my experience and what we're being told, this has been maybe the most transparent process like this in the country, certainly in our area and certainly in North Carolina, but maybe nationwide.
Days before a final public hearing on the final agreement between New Hanover Regional Medical Center, the county, and Novant Health, a judge hears a request to delay that sale.
It's mainly the hospital that's been pretty much non-responsive to our requests. We have made some minor requests to the hospital from time to time, just questions about this and that, but I'm talking about on the major stuff.
Most importantly, the group Save Our Hospital, led by Jean Merritt, has requested the hospital's strategic plan. At a court hearing Wednesday, the group pushed for a preliminary hearing in the next 10 days to get a temporary restraining order. This would delay the sale of the hospital. Merritt says the county has given them the records they've requested, but the hospital hasn't given them everything they've asked for.
Basically, our concern is not necessarily to stop the sale of the hospital, but you might say to slow it down a bit until the public has an understanding of how the deal came down.
In a new survey done on behalf of Novant, 72% of people said a partnership would have a positive impact on the community, with only 10% saying it would have a negative impact. Partnership Advisory Group co-chair Spence Broadhurst says the results show the community is ready for this partnership.
This has been a transparent process and it's been going on for a year. We've really done a tremendous amount of due diligence. The community believes in this.
Now at today's hearing, both the county and the hospital say they've provided Save Our Hospital with all the records they've requested as quickly as possible. They added some of these requests, though, include hundreds of pages worth of documents, so they took extra time to gather. No word yet on when the judge will make a ruling on that request for a temporary restraining order. The final public comment period is Monday at 5 p.m. Randy.
Thank you very much, Kylie.